when the alleged victim is not on our side in a domestic violence case and is asserting that what was originally alleged is true, our job is to discredit this person. Oftentimes, that person is the only piece of evidence in the case. It's rare to have other witnesses or other evidence like video or something like that in a domestic violence case. So the entire case relies upon this person's statements. So we're often scouring an individual's life through social media, oftentimes through our clients' text messages, to try to lay the foundation that this person's lying and has motive to do and say what they're doing. The most common defenses in a domestic violence cases are first that it's a false accusation and that there's some motive or reason as to why this lie is occurring. The second most common is that there was self-defense and that we're saying that our client did use force against this individual but did so under the self-defense statute and was justified in what they did. And lastly, one of the most common defenses in domestic violence cases is the alibi defense. Oftentimes, accusations are made and can be disproven because our client was not even there. Sometimes the events that are depicted by alleged victim are occurring on dates, times, or locations where it was impossible for our client to be there. And so we're oftentimes getting records from our employees' phone, records from their employer. Sometimes they have friends or family members or others that can vouch for their whereabouts when an alleged incident occurred, and we're putting all those things together to provide an alibi defense, which under Ohio law has to be asserted, and it has to be made within 10 days of the trial, or you can't assert it.